There are 4 stanzas in the song, and also there are 47 lines in the whole song, and in the first stanza there is 9 lines, in the second 10, and the last 2 there are 14. The chorus rhymes, so fears and tears rhymes in every stanzas, and the chorus changes in the last stanza, where the stands for now's the time for years your tears. In the other stanzas the stands now ain't the time for your tears.
And William is described as a 24-year-old man, and he owns a tobacco farm. He is wealthy and rich, and then he has a high office relations to the politics, and he is an upcoming murderer. And Hattie is described as a 51 years old woman. She has 10 children, and she never really talked to the people at the table. She was just like doing her job as a maid. And then she was a victim of the destroying of all the tinsel.
We should then comment on the last stanza of the song. And in the courtroom, they are like playing with their muskets to show that nothing is corrupt and everyone is equal. Therefore, he is being convicted for 6 months of jail, but they know he's a wealthy and rich man, so he can buy himself out. So it's kind of a lousy judgment.
Four stands that you have to be judged by the story. Even though they say everyone is equal, they are not. 1, 2, and 3 stands the tears are not for now. Something worse will happen.
Comment on the chorus of the song. We found out that she was a black girl, and she was killed by a white guy, and he was wealthy and rich. And then he could, just as I said before, he could pay himself out of the judgment because it was so lousy. And then the courtroom are kind of saying that everyone's equal, but the judgment he's getting is like very low in that he actually killed the person. So it's like separating the blacks and the whites. So it started this riots about the blacks' freedom. Yeah.